welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold, for those of you in the know. I'm a wife, I'm a mother, I'm so many things, like a lot of us. But above all else, I am a complete makeup junkie addict. And that is why you are what? That is why you are here. I know you appreciate the look. I appreciate it too. I don't look like this every day, but I said to myself, self, you've trimmed your wig, you've given it more Whitney life vibes. So yeah, we can do this. Hi guys, how are we? Guess what? JUVIA'S place came out with 3 more minis. Swear to God, I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. I didn't see it coming. They came out with the taupes. They came out with the sweet pinks. They came out with the mauves, darling. And I said to myself, I know my followers want to have a detailed makeup tutorial, and that's why I'm here. I mean, everybody gets a good time. I get to play with makeup. You get to see tips, skills, tricks, and how to really enjoy the minis. So let me show you the one that I used this episode. Today I did the taupes. I did the taupes for my working girlfriends. For those that don't want too much color, it's just not your thing, but that's okay. Because JUVIA'S came out with beautiful, beautiful taupes. I'm going to link all of the minis that I did because now they are 7. Because remember, they came out with the chocolates, they came out with the nudes, they came out with the berries, and I think they came out with another one. Let me just double check. They came out with the violets. Okay, those 4. Alrighty. So this, my darling, is the taupe. And when you open it up, it just screamed glamour. It screamed red carpet. I love the pink rose gold champagne pop. Then this silver. Best for you to use your fingers for the maximum payoff. And then this gold champagne, and then we had this gorgeous gray, and then you have these kind of neutrals right here, a very warm neutral and a cool neutral. The palette is gorgeous. It is on my eyes. You would have thought, you guys that know me, that I would have gone for the colors right away, but I said, you know what, let me just see how the taupes pay off. And just look, I use the chocolates because I'm a dark skinned girl and I don't want you guys to be discouraged and think, oh, this is too light for me, it doesn't work. No, I use the chocolates just to deepen in my crease. This is what I used. I used these 2 colors right up here, my minis, just those 2 to deepen the crease, and the rest was the taupe. It retails for $14. Well, not exactly, because if you use my discount code, it's even less. My gift always to you. Discount code does not what? Does not expire on anything and everything on the JUVIA'S Place website, including their new collections, old collections. You can always use my discount code. So I went ahead and I tried the taupes, and I even used it underneath my eye. The trick here is to use like a base. Now I have so many bases, but I keep going to the NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil. It adheres underneath my eye because my eye sometimes can water. It gets hot in here, so I open the window and then the wind into your eye can get a little bit watery. This right here, the best. I keep on coming to this. So I use that and I put the gray underneath, and then I use the black pencil. Victoria Beckham has come out with a makeup line, Victoria Beckham Beauty, and I used her eye pencil. It is jet black because I'm dark. Just look at how gorgeous this is. Very creamy. It doesn't tug on the eye, doesn't pull on the eye, doesn't let my eye feel watery or dry. Really beautiful, and it just makes the white of my eyes whiter. Yeah, I use Mykonos from Lily Galici lashes. Lily Galici and I gave birth on the same day. And girlfriend wore lashes. My husband was like, what? He said she should come up with birth lashes. And what else? Delivery lashes, push lashes, delivery lashes, and birth lashes. I said, no. I'm going to use that for my brand, okay? So those of you that are brave enough to be huffing, sweating, and puffing when you are giving birth, try my collection of push lashes. Then we went on to Yoko. And this chocolate lip, I'll link down the tutorial down below. Beautiful. Love it. I'm also going to put a picture of Grace Jones for you today because I was inspired of this look by Grace Jones. Where is my phone? Let me just show you what I'm talking about. She looked fabulous. And she had a wig on and everything. And my husband is like, Fumi, hurry up. But I just want to show you guys this, okay? This is Grace Jones here. She was singing with Pavarotti and it was such a glamorous, gorgeous look. And this was very rare because I have never seen her wear a wig. And just look at how gorgeous she looks. I would have sworn if I did not know that she was wearing JUVIA'S place, because these were the colors that I wore for this look. All right, and of course Rich Lux, who collabed with Gerard Cosmetics. I used his Orange Circle Slay All Day Gerard Cosmetics setting spray, and this, my darling, is the look. I'm gonna put a couple of pictures of my outfit also for you guys. This was a wig that I had. I just cut it up so that it could look much more fuller. All right, so that's the talkity talk. Now sit back, enjoy, and I'll see you at the end of the tutorial. I love you. Mwah.
Right in the middle of the night again. Was it a dream? I'm trying to figure out what's happening. The memories are haunting me. I dream about your smile, your body lying next to mine. Goodbye, my love, all you told me back when last time. Goodbye, my love, wishing you were mine. Then she walked away. The one who got away. Try to make her stay. She's the one who got away. I cannot forget her, thinking what we could have been. It's a little late. She's the one that got away. She 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 got away. Play it back just like a movie flashing through my eyes. All that we had, all that we did, and still I wonder why. The present's haunting me, and even after all this time, I feel her body next to mine, yeah. Goodbye, my love, all you told me back when last time. Goodbye, my love, wishing you were mine. And she walked away. She's the one who got away. Try to make her stay. She's the one who got away. I cannot forget her,
love, my darlings? Do we love? I gave you guys like a double wing liner up here. Can you see it on the sides? Just to really elevate the eye, you can do that. Just to give that real cat eye. And what can I tell you? This makeup you can wear. It's not loud. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. It's not loud. It's not overbearing. And you can wear this to work. You are the CEO of your life. Start there. That's your brand. You are your brand. You're the CEO of your life. You're the CEO of your destiny. So you walk in there like the queen that you are. Love this makeup tutorial. I think that you can wear it to work. I think you can wear it to dinner. I think you can wear it out. It's so glamorous, and at the same time, it's so understated. And yet, it's so fabulous. So that is it, my darlings. Do we love or do we love? The question being, Ula, my sunshine.
Is it F.D.V approved?
It is absolutely F.D.V approved. It is absolutely F.D.V approved. Darlings, you know JUVIA'S. They are so dark skin friendly. They are so budget friendly. The minis are such a good option because you can drop it in your bag and you can go. Pigmented. You have the mattes. You have the satins. You have even a glitter right there just to fire off that eye for an extra jazzmatazz for the evenings. I live for it. Thank you, JUVIA'S. And girls, guys, darlings, all of you all, I'll see you in a hot minute because I've got other stuff for you as well. While we are on the subject, I'm going to have my weight loss journey for you guys. It is coming soon. Mama is busy. Adrian sends all of his love. Oh, let's say goodbye. Goodbye, my loves.
I see the